you're looking to scale your business online, you are in the right place. On this channel, I share practical and easy to follow tutorials on social media marketing, web design and optimization, Google business listing and optimization, online visibility, and digital growth that actually works. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Deviana, fondly called Deviana Digital Space. My mission is to help business owners attract more clients, build strong brands, and achieve measurable results. If this sounds like what you're looking for, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe so you always be notified whenever I drop a new video. All right, without wasting any time, let's get started.
So the first thing you do, you head onto your browser and type in hostiga.com. And then the next thing, you click on My Account. The next thing you do, you log in with your password, your Gmail and password, or with Google. So after logging in, it will bring you to Hostiga HPanel. This is a HPanel. So you hover on domain and click on Get a New Domain. You type in your company name or whichever name you want to use for your domain. So after typing, you click on Search. You see it. This is my name, devianadigitalspace.com. You can use .org, .net, whichever one, but I'm going for .com. So after that, you click on Buy Now. There are various plans. There's 1 year plan, 2 years, and 3 years plan. So whichever one you want, you choose. Like my own, I'm going for 3 years. I'm going for 3 years plan. So after choosing, plan, you click on Choose Payment Method. Then you click on Choose Payment Method again. So you can decide to pay with card. You can choose to pay with PayPal, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. So whichever one you want, you click on Submit Payment. Thing, boom, you're here. So you see my own is showing pending setup. Next thing you do, you click on Setup. Click on Setup. And then if it's for personal, you click personal. If it's for company, organization, then you choose your country. The next thing you do, you click Next Setup. Here you are. You input your address, your phone number, and everything. And then you click on. So we're done with the registration. The next thing, you click Next. Then you select Create a Website. You see, so now what we're about to do now is to buy our hosting plan. The hosting plan too, there's 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years. Whichever one you choose, you click on Complete Payment. It's processing. Boom. We have completed our payment for the hosting plan. So if it's for your business, you click Myself or My Business and click Next. The next thing you are going to do, you click Create a Website. and click next. We have WordPress and the Hostinger website builder. So whichever one you want to use. But me, I'm going to use WordPress. So after that, you click on next. Yes. So this interface now, it's where you put your Gmail and your password. This is the information you need to log in WordPress dashboard. There are many templates you can use to customize, but if you don't have any template in mind, then you can click on use theme instead. Yes. So after that, you click continue. All these things are plugins that comes with the theme that you chose. So if you don't want any of the plugin, you can skip. Now you choose your domain, click on next. Boom. The next thing we're doing now is to install our WordPress. You see, this thing is simple. It's very, very simple. It's not something difficult. But before installing your WordPress, you need to choose a country. So I didn't see my country, so I used the United Kingdom. So the next thing is click on install WordPress. We're almost done. The WordPress is installing. Wait for a moment. You see it. This interface now, this is the front end of my website. This is the theme I chose. Not that is the theme that I'm going to use. I won't use the theme, but I'm just using it for the tutorial purpose. The next thing is your WordPress dashboard. You see it. You can start the magic. If you're confused with anything here, you can get in touch with me and let me know the parts that you don't understand, and I will carefully explain to you. Okay? Just know that you're not alone. All right? See you in my next one.